Welcome to Bible Bedtime Children. The Tower of Babel. Long ago, the whole earth had one language. People began moving from the east and found a plain in the land of Babylon to settle. One day they said to one another, "Come, let us build a city for ourselves and a tower with its top that reaches to the heavens." They thought this would be a good idea so that they would not be scattered over the whole earth. Now the Lord God came down to see the city and the tower they were building. He saw that this plan would not be the best for them to grow and multiply on the earth. He decided that he would confuse their language so they could no longer understand each other. When he did this, everyone started babbling and talking in different languages. They were now unable to understand each other and finish the tower. Now that their language had changed, the Lord then scattered them to live in different parts of the earth. This is why the tower was named Babel. It was there that God confused the language of everyone on the earth and created the different languages that we now have in the world today. The story of the Tower of Babel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.